In today's video, we're going to talk about a recent birthday present I got. My birthday was last month, and my family got me something that was pretty cool. I thought I would share it with you. Take a look at it. It's the Jerky Snob jerky subscription. That's a present you can really sink your teeth into. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. Somebody's racing over there. Anyway, as I said, my family got me this subscription to the Jerky Snob for my birthday. And I thought, you know, why not just show it to you? Now, they're not a sponsor or anything like that. If this video goes well, I may reach out to them and see if they want to be a sponsor. But anyway, I thought this would be something interesting to show you because I thought it was pretty interesting myself. Might be something you want to check out. So I've got some notes here somewhere. What did I do with them? Oh, just so we're clear on it. So let me show you what's in this pack. This is Jerky Snob. They're a jerky curation company. Basically, they curate high quality artisan jerky using a 3-step process. This is, by the way, give me a quick look at these while we're talking about them. They search for companies that use high quality ingredients, no MSG, no HFCS, whatever that is, no nitrates or nitrites. I like that. I try to avoid artificial nitrates as much as possible. Then their taste testers select jerky that meets their strict quality standards. They package it up and ship it to you. So there are three different I guess, plans you can get on. You have the 2-bag plan, which is about $16 a month, the 4-bag plan, which is $27.99 a month, and the 8-bag plan, which is $54 a month. So the 2-bag plan's 4 ounces or more. This 4-bag is 8 ounces or more, and the other one is a pound or more. And you can also buy individual packs of their jerky on their website if you want to. And again, this is not sponsored. I don't have any relationship with them other than maybe I will, but I created a link just so I could keep count of the number of hits. It doesn't track who's clicking, but it lets me know how many people click through the link. survivalonpurpose.com/jerky snob. And there'll be a link in the video description. If you click on that, you can check it out, and it just counts the number of clicks. And if there's a lot of them, maybe I can reach out to them and say, hey, maybe you might want to explore a sponsorship opportunity with the channel. So anyway, just being transparent with you. So let's take a look at what we got here. So we've got we're gonna taste test these, and I'm gonna get Kuma involved in the taste test. We're gonna see if Kuma will pick jerky over his favorite toy here, because he likes his toy, don't you, Kuma? So let's see. This is the Flying G veteran-owned beef jerky. It says it's like eating a steak, and this one's Piedmont, Oklahoma. We're gonna try it. This one is the Fusion Jerky Zero Sugar Original Hickory. We're gonna try that one. The Kalahari Built Bong, we're gonna try that one, and we're gonna try them all, right? And then the Natural Kosher Teriyaki. So I think we'll try let's just try this one first. So this is the natural, you wanna try it, Kuma? Come here. The natural and kosher teriyaki, handcrafted small batch. This is Aufschnitt, grass-fed, gluten-free, good source of protein. 2 servings per container, so 1 serving is 11 grams of protein. So let's try it and see. You want to? You want to? Let's open this thing up, see if Kuma likes it. If Kuma doesn't like it, then we got a real problem. So let's try it. Kuma, you gonna try a piece of jerky? Oh, Kuma says I might have to like that. Look here. Come here, buddy. So this one's cut up in little. I like the fact there's resealable. Let me see. Just little squares. See that? Kuma, you want it? Try it. See if Kuma likes it. Try it. Oh, Kuma likes it. Good. Kuma's my taste tester. Good job. You like it? You want to try a different one? Okay. Pretty good. I like teriyaki jerky. This is not overwhelming. The flavor is just about right. Sorry. It is, after all, beef jerky. This is really good. It's not super sweet. It's like some teriyaki is. It's not really salty. It's really a good balance of flavors. Okay. Next, this is the Kalahari Built Bong, air-dried, thinly sliced beef, 32 grams of protein in this package. So that's about twice the protein in the other for the same amount of meat. So this is a centuries-old South African tradition of naturally air-drying meat spiced with simple ingredients, then thinly sliced. So Want to try this one? This one, my son was kind of peeking at the packs. He said he really wants to try this one. He likes the moisty kind of jerkies. This one's kind of moist, but let's just see. Oh yeah, this is really moist, man. So look at this. Can you see that? Look at that. Kuma wants a bite. Okay, come on. I'm gonna give you a bite, buddy. Look here. Come here. Come right here. Come here. Come here. You like it? Try it. There you go. Kuma likes it. This has got a little different flavor. It has beef, vinegar, salt, coriander, chili pepper, lime juice, powder, rosemary, and black pepper. It's kind of hard for me to define. A little spicy, a little peppery. But ain't nothing overwhelming. I like this one too. Kuma does too. Like it, Kuma. You gonna try another one? Okay. I need to get Jocko to give me a sponsorship too. This one is original hickory. 0 sugar, 15 grams, so 30 grams of protein in this package. This one is women owned. Let's try it. Sorry, the Jocko went down the wrong pipe there. Kuma's like, man, I want some of that. Come here. So this is how you can see all sorts of little spices and flavors on that. Kuma want some? There you go. You like it? Okay. Kuma had to give that one a sniff test. I mean, apparently he liked what he smelled. Let me see what it tastes like. This is super tender. It's good. This one's kind of a moist but dry, if that makes sense. It probably doesn't make sense, but again, just plain old hickory. Not a bunch of overwhelming flavor, but good flavor. But nothing like in your face. Oh, wow, this just stabs you. Okay. Finally, one more. Let me cleanse my. This is the Flying G, veteran-owned beef jerky. Says like eating a steak on the go. This just contains beef, salt, minced garlic, spices, and paprika. And there are 18 grams of protein per serving, 2 servings, so 36 grams of protein. This is the highest protein content, I guess. I see. Apparently, Kuma thinks this is going to be the one. Look at him. He's getting into that. You get into it, Kuma. You want it? I'm going to give you some if I can get it open. The highest protein and the hardest to open. Man, that sucker's. It's not tearing easily. Hang on a minute, buddy. Apparently Kuma really is getting into this video for sure. What's your favorite video so far, Kuma? And this is big pieces, literally like of steak, so I'm gonna break off a piece for Kuma because he can't have the whole piece. I'll break off a piece for me because you don't want to watch me eat a whole thing. Come over here. Come here. There you go. Good stuff. Okay, so that is a quick look at the Jerky Snob, my order for this month. And I'm gonna tell you what my favorite was, and they're all good, by the way. None of these, sometimes you get those, you just don't, they get a weird flavor. These are all good. My favorite's the teriyaki, and maybe that's just because I like me some teriyaki. Kuma, which one's your favorite? I'll tell you what I'll do, Kuma. I'm gonna give you one more taste. You tell me if you like it the best. Let's see which one you like the best. Let's try that. I think you really liked the Built Bong, didn't you? Come here. Come around here. Oh yeah, apparently he liked this one because he's getting excited about it. Look here, you want it? Okay, there you go. All right. So that is the Jerky Snob sample again. And again, you can go to survivalonpurpose.com/Jerky Snob and check them out. And Jerky Snob, I hope it's been helpful. Thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Kuma says thanks because he got to get a little extra jerky for making the video. So I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time. There you go, Kuma. You like that, buddy? You like that, buddy? That was good stuff, wasn't it? Yeah.